Hello everyone, welcome to Neil's World. Today I'm going to show you how to link your YouTube channel with your Google Ads account. This is a very simple process and it will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So let's get started. So I'm logged into my Google Ads account and this is my dashboard. So here in the dashboard, on the upper right corner, there is Tools and Settings option. Click on that. So it will open up the Ads menu. There are different options. We will go to the Setup menu here. So here under Setup menu, click on Linked Accounts. Once we click on Link Accounts, it will show up a page where different linkings are shown. We can add different features to Google Ads, or we can link different accounts with Google Ads. So let us go to YouTube and click on Details. If you already have a channel linked with Google Ads, it will show up here. Since we don't have an account linked already here, so I'll go ahead and click on Add Channel. We can add channel by two ways. We can either search the channel name here in the search option, or we can simply paste the channel URL from the YouTube. I already have copied my channel URL, so I'll go ahead and paste it here. So this is my channel, which is obviously a small one as of now. I'll go ahead and click on I own this channel. You can also link someone else's channel where you need to furnish some other details like your email address or anything related to that channel. And since I'm going to add my own channel, so I'll go ahead with my own channel option now. It will open up the YouTube Studio page. Here it is. So here we need to give a name to the link. So I'll go ahead and simply put my channel name for simplicity. Once you put your name, you need to click on the link button at the bottom and it will simply complete the process. So it says account link is saved. To verify, I'll go ahead and open Google Ads again. Let me refresh the page to see the current status. Here it is. The channel is now linked. We can add many other channels if we wish, or we can go ahead and unlink the channel that is already linked. To add a new channel, we need to simply click on the plus button and add the new channels here. To unlink, simply click on unlink button and the channel will be unlinked. So this process is very simple. I hope this might help you in future if you have not done it already. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing so that it will help me grow. Thank you.